Today's mines and quarries often run automatically, for longer hours and with fewer personnel, and they require equipment that can reliably handle material day in and day out. FLSmith has more than 135 years of experience in helping customers improve production, raise efficiency, and lower their operating costs. The newly redesigned Apron Feeders from FLSmith easily handle high-impact feeds consisting of heavy, coarse, and sharp materials from trucks, crushers, surge piles, bins, and hoppers. These heavy-duty feeders offer excellent protection against abrasive material with sharp profiles and hard edges, providing lower maintenance, higher availability, longer life, and reduced operational cost. FLSmith Apron Feeders feed material at an adjustable rate to compensate for irregular incoming material flow. Designed for easy maintenance, they are ideal for a number of mineral processing applications, such as metals mining or quarrying, at the surface or underground. They efficiently convey and meter material of different sizes and densities, from dry and abrasive to wet and sticky. Apron feeders can be installed horizontally or at an incline prior to any crushing or sizing, as they withstand the high-impact forces from large runoff mine material as it is tipped directly from mining trucks. Acting as an interface between mining trucks and the processing system, apron feeders provide steady, controlled feed for downstream processing, improving plant efficiency, increasing product output, and wear parts service life. FLSmith apron feeders are designed to provide easy operation, easy maintenance, and a long service life. FLSmith, we discover potential.